going on, Gas Gang? Today we are back with a cool video on the 335D, the daily, the high mileage daily. Guys, we're down at Devil Developments and we're going to put it on the dyno and see what kind of power it makes. Guys, stay tuned for this one. It's going to be sick and let's get it. Welcome to Officially Gas. Let's get it. So yes guys, as the intro said, today we are down at Devil Developments with the high mileage 335D and we're going to put it on the dyno to see exactly what it makes. As I've probably said in previous videos, I bought this car, I have done nothing to it. When I bought it, I was kind of duped into thinking it was stock and turns out it actually was tuned, or he said it was tuned. He gave me a massive wad of paperwork for it. And there's me thinking, okay, cool, now don't worry, I'll read all of it when I get home, because you know what I mean, it's a transaction, I was in a rush. I got home and it had nothing, no information on the mods. Now, I could have called him back and basically said, just tell me what's been done to it again. You know what? That's too easy. Let it be a surprise is what I say. Let this unfold naturally. So, we believe, or he tells me it's got hybrid turbos. He tells me it's over 400 brake horsepower, intercooler, boost pipes, mapped, gearbox map, everything like that. Now, the car feels fast, I'm not gonna lie, it actually feels really fast, but for me it's very hard to tell. Diesel power is, the delivery is different to petrol. It's very torquey, you know what I mean? And you kind of expect that from a diesel car, especially one that might have been tuned. So it's very torquey, it feels quick, but how much power it's making, I don't know. Look guys, 150,000 miles on the clock. This is a daily. This is more a daily. I'm not gonna lie, most people when they find out, you know, they've bought a car or went to see a car that they think's stock, don't get me wrong, he didn't tell me it was stock, I just assumed it. Because guys, look, the car doesn't look like it's had anything done to it. It's all original, you know? Usually, the first thing people do is change those bloody grills. It's still got the stock silver grills on it. So, who was I to know? I think it was when he revved it up and it sounded kind of mad that I clocked. But anyway, most people would say, nah, I'm not buying it. But I just thought, you know what? I'm gonna go with the flow. It can make things interesting. So today, we're gonna see what it does. We're gonna see what it makes on the dyno. Guys, if it makes big power, cool. You know, it probably leaves me less options to kind of modify it and where I can go with it. Or maybe I just have to go real big and go stupid with it. And also, shout out to Ben, because he went up in the world. Check the R8 V10 Plus, madness. But anyway, guys, listen, enough talk. Let's get it strapped up on the dyno and run this bad boy. Place your bets, let's get it. So Ben, you've actually had one of these before, and what do you reckon she's gonna make? Because again, we don't know the mods. Hybrid turbo, apparently, which one, who knows? Intercooler on it, boost pipes apparently. Yep.
Many boost leaks. Come standard with boost leaks.
Okay, cool. What should they be making around with hybrid turbos, if it has?
I don't know about hybrids.
Okay.
Stage 2 stuff, what, 370 odd.
Oh really? Okay, cool. So if it
350, 370.
So if it's got hybrids, then you're saying it could be making.
If it's got hybrids, it may do.
Yeah. Would you think? If you had to put a number on it, it's beginning with a 3, yeah.
Yeah, 372.
Oh, 372. I went 370. Guys, this is probably gonna make 600 brake. You watch. But who knows? As I say, it's a goodie bag. One of those ones where you know there could be some goodies in there, but there could be crappy ones too. So power-wise, I'm not sure. I'm gonna say, I believe it could be 400, but I'm gonna be conservative, and I'm gonna say 370. 370 brake is my guesstimation. Bit of a heartbreaker dyno, we all know that. So yeah, the truth shall be told today. So yeah, guys, no more talking. Let's see what this bad boy makes. If it makes enough power and enough torque, what I'm legally allowed to do is put an M badge on it. That's what Ben's saying. And I'm allowed to tell M3 owners how much quicker my car is than yours. Fucking hell. So they don't have hybrid turbos? Probably not. I think me and you need to go to the doctors after that. Definitely being on the back end of that. Oh, I can taste it. Okay, 370 brake horsepower. What's your thought? Hybrid turbos? No?
It's been mapped nice.
Okay, hang on, let me come round here because you're.
It pulls quite hard to the top end.
Okay, so you're saying it's got a decent map on it though, yeah?
It looks. I haven't data logged it, but it looks pretty good.
Yeah? Okay.
It looks pretty good.
What kind of.
The graph looks a bit different to what you'd normally see.
Yeah, it's a bit weird, isn't it?
So I suspect that it may have had something done.
Okay, interesting. And is that looks like it's pretty, was that the torque curve there? So 500,
yeah.
So 500 foot-pounds.
You see when the old big turbo comes on, because they're sequential in this. So
Okay.
you run the small one,
Yep.
and then they change over to the larger unit.
Okay.
So that's what you can see there.
Ah, interesting, interesting.
Must feel
Okay.
quite quick, though.
Well, it is. Guys, that's what I'm saying, this car feels quick. I mean, look, I think maybe the guy sold me a dream. Maybe he said it's got hybrids, there's no evidence of hybrids.
That's all right.
But, I mean, look, 370 brake, it's still strong. The car's done 150,000 miles. All right, guys, so there you have it. We now know what the high mileage 335D makes. 370 brake horsepower. I mean, I can't really turn my nose up at that. That's decent power. Whether or not it's got hybrid turbos, I'm not sure. I did speak to Ben, he said it's obviously been mapped quite well, and there's a matey coming in here just to ruin the shot. And yeah, he said it's been mapped quite well. Whether or not it's got hybrids, who knows? I mean, he reckons it's had some money spent on it in terms of getting it to where it is. 370 brake, which is quite cool because I know you can get these cars up to like 500 brake, so it leaves me a little bit of room, a little bit of wiggle room to, you know, have some fun with it, play with it, and actually boost the power up myself. So yeah, that's quite cool in a respect, I guess. So not all is lost. There is some fettling to be done. Oh no! One wheel pill, one wheel pill. Open diff. Go again. Yeah, boy. Woo! A lot of black smoke, a lot of white smoke. There we go. Oh, and he stalled the diesel. What power? Come on. One more, one more. What the hell? Come on. Diesel power. Oh, yes. Yeah, one wheel pill. We love it. We love it. Smoked out. The joys of diesels. Who said diesels couldn't be fun? Can't be fun, should I say. But we already know that on my channel. We got some cool diesels on. And now, I think I own one. Can't complain. I can't complain. Let me know your thoughts in the comment. And yeah, things just got a little bit more interesting, I think. 370 brake. Hopefully it hasn't got hybrids on. If it has, well, we're going to put bigger ones on it. Forget it, like, you know what I mean? Guys, if you have enjoyed today, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned for another cool video on the high mileage 335D daily. And yeah, we'll catch you on the next one. Peace out.